Hi, I'm Dave with Jacuzzi Hot Tubs here in Fargo, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your ClearRay bulb. They recommend changing this every year. It should alert you on the tub when it needs to be replaced, and we're going to go through the replacement process. So the first thing you're going to want to do is power the tub off at the disconnect. Flip that off. Now there's no power to the tub. Check. I would open this up and just make sure everything's off. Nothing works. Next thing, we'll get into the panel where the bulb is at. And this will change depending on the model of tub you have. And to do that, you're going to pull out on the bottom of that. And this front panel, just lift up and pull out like that. This here, it says ClearRay right there. Every single one's the same. It's got 4 screws. Those 4 screws are all you've got to take out. Depending on what model tub you have, this may be in different areas. Sometimes they're kind of more tucked back here, sometimes they're more up here, but they all look the same. Okay, so now that that's open, you're going to take your new bulb, open it up. An important thing when you're changing this ClearRay bulb is that your fingers don't ever touch the actual bulb part, because the oils from your skin are not good for the bulb. Just take that stuff off, pull that off, pull that out. So you just hold it by the wires, and then to get the old one out, you just pull it straight out of the tube there. And then unclip that, put this back over the top of that. And just clip that back in, and then you slide it in there nice and gently. You don't need to force it or anything. And there you go. And you can put your cap back on. Okay, now you got all 4 of those back in. Now I'll have my lovely assistant Jorn flip the tub back on. Then you're going to want to come and reset your ClearRay to 365 days. The ClearRay bulb has a lifespan of about 1 year. So to do that, you're going to go into the menu button here, and you just hit that till you see UV. Then you're going to go plus. So you go back to 365. Then you hit the jets button and that'll lock it in. And now you're all good, so that it'll give you an alert a year from now to change it again. Put this right in that top groove, push it up, let it fall down, just like that. And then you just take your corner panels. And on this model, these clips are on the top. On some models they're on the bottom. It should be any tub from 2024 and newer. These clips will be on the top, so you pull from the top, but this one's already a 2023 model, so they're going to be on the bottom. But you just put them back in the slots like that, and then like that. Just like that. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.